types of clay, as we told, the molded is one is resin and the other. Both you have to take it equal quantity and you have to mix them up. Okay. Now, if you are working with homemade clay, you cannot work on this cake board. Only the molded clay you can work with this cake board because it is not water based and it becomes hard. But when you work with the homemade clay on the cake board, what will happen? The cake board will absorb the water from the clay and it might become little soggy. So for that reason, if you are working this time for practice purpose, you can do, but try to get mount board. Thank you Mangala Gauri for the exciting, Sarika Garg for joining. Thank you all of you for joining. Please tag your friends and please post a message in the MC utility group that we are live so that they can also join. Due to some internet issue, we were a bit late in starting the session. The clay mixing has been done. You have to mix the clay till you get one single color. And now I'll put the thing towards the table and show you how to work. Okay. Sujata, can you write in the comment box? Can you write? Can anybody write in the comment box? Is the comment is open in this group? Because I can't see any of your comments, so that's why I was thinking. Let me see. Okay, yeah. Wait, let me see. Yes, Srividya. I can. Okay. Sujata, thank you. Jigna, thank you. All of you for joining. Tell us about homemade clay with chalk powder. Srividya, I will keep one session in our page, in our Facebook page, or either in YouTube or in Facebook page. We will keep a live session where we will teach you different types of clay. What are the different types of product you need to make different types of clay. So we will teach you different types. We are planning to keep a live session, live interacting session, either in YouTube or in our Facebook page, where we'll be teaching you how to make different types of clay. Okay. So in one day session we cannot cover up so many things. Now let me put it towards the. Hi Sujata. Okay. So here's the table. I hope it is clear to all of you. This is the cake board. As I told you, in the cake board you have to. Okay. In the cake board you have to make a hole here for the wall clock, and we have told you that the thread of the wall clock is 6 mm here. So we have used it and made it. Now after making it, is very easy to make a hole. You can just take a knife or something or and make a hole like this. Okay. Now for the peacock, we have this here peacock thing here. Now let us think the peacock. Let the peacock be here. Let the body of the peacock be like this till here, and then we have this here. You create your curves. Can you see how I am creating your curves? So this is all how whatever you want, it's all up to you. So okay, and then we have this body here, and from this body, and after that we have the neck and the peacock. So roughly you draw so that you can arrange the thing according to that way. So and then we have this outer one, you do one, middle you do like this, you do. So you it should be reducing. Can you see the waves here? Small, big, very big in the center, again small, again small, again small, and again small. When you make these feathers, the feathers are small, big in the center, small, again little big, maximum big in the center, again small, again smaller than that, and like that you have to make so that they look uniform. And then afterwards, when we end up here, we just go on curling and put some more feathers. Is all up to you. Okay. Now okay. Abhi, yeah. So here it is. So what you will do, I have told you, use any either fabric glue or Fevicol, whichever you have at home, you use it. Okay. Now, so first let us fix up the body. and then we fix up the neck here. For the neck, take a ball, roll, roll it and like this, and then bend it, and slightly you can make the beak. Okay, and then place it here. Now if you want it to be standing, what you have to do, place it here like this. I hope I am visual. Yeah, it is visual perfectly. Then you take it here and place it like this, and put something here so that the peacock neck is standing. Is it visible? See, I have put one something for support, so that if you want the neck to be standing, you have to mix the clay and put it like this and leave it like this. Can you see? Suppose if you want the neck to be standing, put like this, put something to support, and see. So it might fall. So what you do, you should put something for support like this so that it stands. Okay. Now, so you have to do like this, and put something, some rubber or something, whatever you have at home. Wait, I have this bottle cap here. I will put this bottle cap here. हाँ, तो आप कुछ भी रख सकते हो, बॉटल कैप रख सकते हो, रबर रख सकते हो, और थोड़ा उसको सपोर्ट दो ताकि वो सूख जाए तो वो ऐसे ही खड़ा रहे. अगर आपको इसका नेक ऐसे खड़ा चाहिए तो, so after fixing up the neck, what you have to do, you have to put a rubber here. Can you see how much it is standing from the base? Put some rubber or put some bottle cap or something so that it stand like this. Okay. Now, so I have put a bottle cap here. Now let's make the अभी ये इसका बॉडी पार्ट करना है आपको. तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, इसके अंदर कुछ थोड़ा सा सपोर्ट दे सकते हो. ऐसे इसको ऐसे करो. हाँ, सो नेक को आप बराबर कर लो हाथ से, और थोड़ा सा जस्ट पुट लिटिल बिट ऑफ पाउडर इन योर हैंड and then do the neck. Now, so बीच में आप थोड़ा सा उभार के बनाइए और साइड में थोड़ा सा नीचे की तरफ दबा दीजिए. So try to lift in the center like this. Oval shape, make this thing oval shape or eye shape, whichever you want. It should be an eye shape, and try to हाँ, फिर उसको नीचे की तरफ ऐसे मर्ज कर दीजिए. ठीक है. Can you see how I am doing it? So try to take little corn flour or any chalk powder or whatever you have at home, talcum powder, and smoothen the body of the peacock, and try to हो गया. सो अभी क्या है, आपने यहाँ तक कंप्लीट कर लिया, बॉडी बना लिया और नेक बना लिया. और नेक बनाते समय टेक pen or some thing and make a hole here for the eye of the, just press and make the eye of the peacock. Now next thing we have now here, so we have this one more thing here. We will take one more layer like this. So ये ऐसे जाएगा ये. So you can stick one more here like this, merge it so that we can feel the body part of it. So while sticking, put some glue here. Always put some glue and do your sticking work. थोड़ा थोड़ा ग्लू लगा के आप उसको काम पूरा करते चले जाइए. ठीक है. सो अभी ये वाला हो गया यहाँ तक आपका। तो शेप आप अपना बराबर देते जाइए। आपका शेप कैसे होगा बराबर उसको देते जाइए। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट। सो टिल हेयर यू हैव डन। सो ट्राई टू मर्ज दिस विथ दिस and then let's take a sketch pen cap and make feathers, just poking it like this. So try to poke it inwards with the back side of the pen cap and create the feathers for your peacock. I'll just create and show you very close view so you will understand. So can you see? So ऐसे क्रिएट करना है आपको। हेड बना के यहाँ पे आई का मैंने ये दिया है, प्रेस किया, आई के लिए वीक बनाया है। हेड बना के मैंने ये कैप लगा के इसको ऊंचा किया है और यहाँ पे फेदर बना लिया है। यहाँ पे बॉडी का जो फेदर्स है वो बना लिया है। इसी तरह से इस पे भी किया गया है, आप देख सकते हो। ये जो बॉडी का फेदर्स है यहाँ पे इसी तरह किया गया है। ओके, नेक्स्ट what we are going to do next, we will create the other feathers. Okay, अभी ये क्ले से आपको और क्ले मिक्स करना पड़े। अभी ये जितना क्ले है इस क्ले में आप उसमें लॉन्ग स्ट्रिप्स बना के आप यहाँ से ऐसे कर करके आप उसमें बना सकते हो। तो पहले मैं 2-4 ही मैं ऐड करके दिखाऊंगी आपको उसी तरह से बनाना है। आप इसको कैसे ऐड करोगे मैं 2-4 ही ऐड करके दिखा रही हूँ। यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे हम। पहले हम बाहर वाला करेंगे, सबसे पहले बाहर वाला। तो बाहर वाला अगर छोटा है तो दूसरा वाला उससे थोड़ा बड़ा, बीच वाला सबसे बड़ा, और इसके बाद वाला छोटा और छोटा। तो ऐसे ही होगा, जो सबसे बीच में है वो सबसे बड़ा होगा। ओके, सो रोल इट लाइक दिस and put it like this, attach it to the thing, and then आप उसको सबसे पहले बाहर वाला लेके जाएंगे, लास्ट वाला, और उसको ऐसे करेंगे। ओके, try to merge it with the body of the peacock. So this is the last one which will go in the edge of the thing. Okay, जो कि आपके एज से जाएगा, और इसके बाद दूसरा वाला आपका आएगा। ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन विल कम, which will be coming from the next round. So you have to make them big and small. You can flatten them up. Press if you want flat, you can flatten them up like this. Okay, प्रेस करके आप उसको फ्लैट कर सकते हो, आपके ऊपर है आप उसको कैसे करते हो। आपको अगर उभरा चाहिए तो उभरा रख सकते हो, नहीं तो फिर आप प्रेस करके फ्लैट कर सकते हो। अभी नेक्स्ट वाला द सेकेंड राउंड जो है, द सेकेंड राउंड अगेन विल कम लाइक दिस। यू हैव टू पुट वेरी क्लोज टू इट and it should be bigger than this. तो छोटा बड़ा ऐसे करके, गैप ज्यादा नहीं रखना है आपको। ओके, so it should be bigger than this, and the other one will be little more bigger than this. Press it and merge it. Press them up, put some powder in your hand, press them up and merge them up. ओके. सो आपका सेकंड ऐसे है, वैसे थर्ड है. अब ये थर्ड वाला आप लेके जाओ यहाँ से, तो बीच में आप जो गैप है उसको आप जस्ट क्ले डाल के बीच में भरते चले जाइए, समझे. तो आपको अगर बीच में टेक समथिंग लाइक दिस, put your finger and do like this. So what will happen? It will merge. You have to merge and see that there is no gaps between the clay. Can you see how I am merging it? Yeah. You have to press and then merge the clay. See, first you press it and then you merge it. And here also you have to press and create the round here shape. Press and create the round shape here. So I am just showing you 2 feathers. Rest all you have to do in the same way. See. Can you see? First round you put and make it round here, and second round you put, and after putting the round we have flatten it up like this. Both the thing we have flatten up, and then after flattening just take your finger in between when it is still soft, so that you get this, the gaps between it get covers. Okay, so the between the gaps get covered. Okay. Try to down, when you are going down, try to create the round like this, the curves towards the down. Okay, can you see here? See here, you first row we put till here, second row when we took here. So when we in the gap we just press like this and merge. So that's how the in between the gaps you will little you will fill them. So you can go on making curves, and then you can, in the side you will take another one like this, another outer. So try to put as many feathers you want, and however you want the feathers from here to here, whichever way, however here you want. Okay, so this is how the feather this is how the feathers will be done. Okay, so it's all up to you. First start from outer, then put the second, then put the third, then put the fourth, then put the fifth. So the center one should be the longest. In the center of the peacock should be the longest. This side should be the same size, and this side should be the same size. After finishing this, then you just go on from this edge, you go on taking curves, however how many curves you want for the feathers. So after finishing this part, we just took curves to layer how much we wanted. Okay, this picture we'll post it in the group, so that in the WhatsApp group, so all of you can, if you want to follow this, you can make like this. Okay, now for this area, in the clock area, we rolled the MCL clay, and we took some containers lid, and we cut into the size, and we fix it up. After fixing up, instantly you have to take some pencil, and in the hole you have to take out the extra clay. So this area got clay, and then what we took, you can take Johnson board or the back side of the, this is your center of the dial. Opposite to that, first you put one press and make one point when the clay is soft, and opposite to that also you make a point. So I want to hang like this, correct? So I took from here, I took the point here, and then I took opposite here, and then opposite this side and this side. First 12, 6, 3, 9 you mark. Then between 6 and 9 equal to press you put. You can use a Johnson bird to press when the clay is soft. In this area where we have pressed, we can stick stones here. So that's why when the clay was soft, I have made, so these are total 12 depths. So in this 12 depths, I am going to fix up the stones here. So these are total 12 depths. So you just roll a strip, cut it round with something, and instantly in the hole put some pencil and take out the extra clay. And this all this area, when it is soft, you know that you this is a designer wall clock, so you are not going to put numbers like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will not look nice. So what you can do, you can mark from this center down, you press and put the marking there. Opposite to that you put marking, and then left side exactly, and then right side. So this is your 1 and 12, 6 and 3. When you finish off with this 6 and 3, then in between you have to equal distance, you have to press with the Johnson bird or the back side of the pencil or pen, or how big stone you are fixing. According to that, you press the clay. When it is soft, you press and create the depths. So in this depth, we will the whole painting will dry up. We will put Fevicol and stick our stones here. For that reason, we have made. So we are not going to put write numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are going to put for each number. We are going to fix up stones. So there will be 12 stones. तो ये since it is a designer wall clock, क्योंकि ये डिजाइनर वॉल क्लॉक है और हम नहीं चाहते कि हम नंबर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ऐसे लिखे, तो इसीलिए हम लोगों ने क्ले जब सॉफ्ट था, बैक साइड आपका टू ब्रश के बैक साइड से और किसी भी चीज़ के बैक साइड से आप इसको डेप्थ क्रिएट कर सकते हो. जब ये सूख जाएगा तो आप यहाँ पे आप स्टोन फिक्स कर सकते हो, मोती फिक्स कर सकते हो, या आपको जो भी इच्छा करे वो आप फिक्स कर सकते हो. ठीक है, तो यहाँ तक आपको ये क्लियर है. और रोज, ये जो फ्लावर है, यू हैव टू रोल दिस, you have to roll this and with the back side of this yeah, 1 minute, yeah. आप इस तरह के देखिए, आप लोग देखो पीकॉक का जो नेक है वो स्टिफ हो गया है. मैंने कैप रिमूव कर दिया है. I have removed the cap. The neck of the peacock has become stiff, and you can see how much it is lifted from the base. Can you see how much it is lifted from the base? So this is the way how you are supposed to, yeah, here it is. So we just kept the cap here, and you can see how much it is lifted from the base. So like this, when the clay is soft, you have to fix up the thing. So this way you have to complete the whole feathers what we have drawn, and then here we have to make, if you are, it is up to you. If you have space, you make the flowers, or you can leave it out. So I will explain you in this. Since if you are working in the small cake board, you cannot go for this. You cannot go for this. But this is rose flower. Any flower you can do. Just make roll the clay and cut in small strips like this, and with glue go on joining and make rose. And this is cut leaves, and with knife you cut and place the rose and the leaves. And this is basically पेटल. आप इससे बड़ा किसी चीज़ से आप इससे भी कट कर सकते हो. आप हमारा ये जो कैप है, रोल करके इस कैप से आप कट कर लीजिए. अच्छे से रोल करिएगा और कॉर्नफ्लावर लगा के रोल करिएगा, पतला, थोड़ा पतला रोल करिएगा, और इस कैप से आप काट लीजिए. तो काटने के बाद आप क्या करेंगे, इसको ये जैसे है, draw a rough line with your pencil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How big flower you want? Suppose I want, if I have small area, I want 2, 3. So I'll make 3 curves. Each curve, whatever I have cut with this thing, round circle, I'll place 1 circle here, 1 circle here, and 1 circle here. Put glue and place the circles. Don't let the circles overlap. Very close to each other. First round, second round. Suppose this first round has 5, second round will have 3, and the last will have 2 and 1, or last will have only 1. So suppose I'm starting from here. I put the 3. Next round again put Fevicol. You can put 2 circles. Again you can put, the circle should overlap on the previous one. This circle is overlapping on the previous circle, and this circle is overlapping on the previous circle. So like that you have to make this flower. So this flower is basically made like this. This is very simple. Roll your clay and cut circles with anything sharp. Even if you have a cutter, if you have a cookie cutter, go for the cookie cutter. Cut them the circles. Place the circles close to each other. Don't let the circle. Don't place the circle close to each other. Don't overlap them. So suppose it is 5 here, first row, put glue, place the circle. Second row again put glue. In between the previous circle, the second circle should come. Again the down, in between the previous circle, the third circle should come. So this is how it is done, and finally one small round half semicircle here to look at as a pollen of the flower. So this is basically half flower. So it's up to you. If you want to do this, you can do this. Main important is to make the peacock. The roses and the flower is just made to fill up the space. If you are not interested in, you don't have much space, you can just make this peacock. That is enough for you. Okay. So now almost we have explained you everything. So we will go for the painting now. See, can you see how much the peacock neck is lifted? So use all these techniques if you want something away from the board, not flat on the board, something lifted. Okay. So basically, yeah. Basically, all of you, let me put it little more high. Yeah. Now, I think. Basically, all of you have to make only this peacock. This one is not compulsory. This one is also not compulsory, and this you make the dial for the clock. So most important is this peacock. Okay. So all of you should finish this and then leave it for drying. After you complete it right, start coloring. So we'll go for the coloring session now. I've already explained you how to make the peacock and how to make the rose, how to make these flowers, everything we have to, how to do this dial, how I have done, everything I have explained you. Now we'll show you the coloring. One minute. Okay, let me explain you how to make the peacock again. I will explain you how to make the peacock again. Once again, I'll explain you how to create the whole design. Okay. So first make the neck of the, roll the clay and make the neck of the peacock. So, and then place the peacock neck here. It's still falling for me. Okay, now make the neck of the peacock, then take a oval shape and place the oval shape body, and then take a sketch pen back and make the feathers, and after that start from the, roll the clay and tightly twist it and put it here, the outer line, then the second line, then the third line. The third line is the middle line, should be the longest, and the second line and the fourth line should be the same size. The first line and the fifth line should be the same size. So try to make alternate same size and the longest one in the middle. Then only it will look nice. And then after that, the extra sides of the cup, you can just roll and show some extra feathers here, like we have done it here, till here. Okay. This rose and flower is not compulsory. If you have space, you can do. So these roses are just made, roll the clay, take some powder and roll the clay out and cut with these small circles, and just put little glue and attach the circles together and make the flower. For the leaves, you roll it and cut it into a leaf shape, and with your knife you can create impression. With your knife you can create impression and make the roses. Same way as I told you, this is small. If you want this size, you can cut this size, or you can cut big circles also. Like this one is cut with this, a big circle. Roll the clay and cut big circles. And always rolling, use corn flour and roll the clay so that when you cut the circles don't stick to the board or wherever you are working. Okay. So after that, we have to you have to alternate arrange the circles. 5 circles, then over second row and third row, and finally like that. Okay. So this is how you have to complete. And this area I have just rolled the thin clay and applied. And since the hole is already there, remember to open your hole, and then with your backside of your sketch pen, how many numbers are there in the dial, so that many impression we have created. So in this depth we are going to fix up stones. Okay, so let's start the coloring session, so that you people can color and finish the project and send it and post it in the group. Okay, that's all. So let's start the coloring session. We are basically going to use metallic colors here. Let me see here. Yeah, so basically metallic colors use किया जाएंगे. हाँ, correct. Okay, so we first put white color, and then simultaneously try to put metallic color. Okay, so we have this metallic white here. You go for metallic white. Okay, so so here we are. So just put one coat of always before working putting any color, just try to put one coat of first white color all over your painting, and then start putting the metallic color and the blue color, whatever is there for your work. Okay, so just first put a coat of white base coat color. Suppose if you are working with homemade clay also, you need to give a nice white base coat color. Okay, those who are not having molded, this time we will excuse you. Please try to take Fevicol MR and marble powder and make your own clay and work with that clay. Even your bread clay works nicely. You can take bread, crumble the bread and mix with Fevicol MR and make your clay and work with that clay. Suppose if you are not having mold it at your place, because it is locked down and everywhere it is locked down, so deliveries are not working. So for that reason, suppose if you are not having, then you can take bread, crumble the bread and mix Fevicol MR and make the clay and work with that clay. That clay also works very nice. It is very good. It doesn't get fungus. You can put little bit of zinc oxide in that so that it doesn't get fungus. Okay, so पूरा white पहले आपको पेंट करना है अच्छी तरह से. So that's why we need white color, so that whatever color you put, it looks nice. Okay, done. Now take color, take metallic. So very little color we have to use for coloring. So I am using this. We have this ultramarine blue and two blues we are using. So one is ultramarine and the other one is this. So now take very little color and just slightly give in the peacock body, very light. Slightly I have taken this color. This is ultramarine, I think so. Yeah, Persian blue. This is Persian blue. I have taken little bit of Persian. Very little you take Persian blue. Don't take too much, because we have to color it very light. So lightly, I don't know, this has not properly stuck, so it's coming out. So might be we have to take little more clay and stuck this up. Suppose it is coming out, I have to, yeah, it's coming out. It is not dried properly and we are working it. Just now before starting the session I have done it. Okay. So first take blue color, fatafat, very fast you should work. Take water and spread the color, so that very less color we want to spread. We don't want to spread too much of color. Can you see here? very light. You have to take white color and instantly on top of the white you should put all this color fatafat so that they don't get dry up. Just put here and there some color and take water and mix them up nicely. Okay. So थोड़ा सा पानी लीजिए, फटाफट फटाफट उसको अच्छे से मिक्स करिए. पहले एक कोट आप यूजली दे दीजिए, इसके बाद लाइट डार्क, जहाँ पे आपको लाइट करना है वहाँ लाइट करिएगा, वहाँ डार्क करना है डार्क करिएगा. सो फर्स्ट इंस्टेंटली यू हैव टू पुट लिटिल like this and take water and merge them up. Okay. So you, as we go down, only this area will keep little dark, and as we go down we'll make it very very light. Okay. So take water and nicely merge it. Just take a drop of water and nicely merge it so that you get uniform shading. And then after that the second coat, you where you want dark you can put dark. First put uniform base coat. Okay. So we are going to stick to one monochromatic color scheme, basically blue, shades of blue and pearl will take. If you want you can go for some other color also. It's the color is all up to you, whichever color you want. Okay. So done here. So till here we have done. तो इसको और भी हम इसको डार्क लाइट कर सकते हैं. ओके. जहां आपको डार्क करना है थोड़ा सा और कलर लेके आप डार्क कर सकते हो. आई जस्ट पुट व्हाइट एंड देन अल्ट्रामेरिन, दैट्स ऑल. ओके. नाउ there is already color in the brush, so I am just merging this area. I want very light, the dial area I want very light. So what I am doing, I am just taking the color, whatever color is there in the brush and just spreading it out. So what you can do, just very light you can put and then take the color and spread it out. Can you see? Yeah. Take little water and just spread it out. So you should not put too much of color in the background. The background we are going to make very light, very pale blue, and this part we are going to dark and light we are going to do. Okay. So only the feather part, थोड़ा सा. Now little with the feather part I am highlighting, and we will highlight only the height of the feather. जो feather का जो height है आप उसको highlight करेंगे, आप पूरे को डार्क नहीं करेंगे. जो ऊंचा वाला पार्ट है feather का उसको आप highlight करेंगे. Okay. That part only has to be highlighted, not the whole design. Okay. So that your feather looks like feather. I am not highlighting the whole design, I am just highlighting the feather part. After giving the base coat, I am taking a dry brush stroke, no color in the brush, only dry. और इसको भी आप ऐसे ड्राई ब्रश स्ट्रोक दे सकते हैं, हल्का सा उसको लाइट शेड कर सकते हैं. इसको डार्क रखेंगे और इसके बाद जो जितने फेदर्स हैं आपको उसको ऐसे ऐसे पूरा लेना है. One more time, if you want, you can slightly take the color, extra color, just leave them up. Okay. And again like this. So this is how you are supposed to do. Okay. So can you see? And the beak you should give little this color. I am going to fix to all blue. I am not going to put any other color. I am going to use three colors only: white, blue, and metallic. I have not used metallic white till now. I am going to use now metallic white. Okay. So you can use your own color. There is no hard and fast rule, but we can use our own color. But I am using all these colors only. Now take white and start putting in the background metallic white. I am using metallic white now. I am just putting metallic white in the background so that the shiny color, the shiny look will come. In the background, take nicely the metallic white. Okay. आपने जो भी ब्लू लगाया है अभी मेटालिक व्हाइट लेके उस बैकग्राउंड में अच्छे से आपको डालना है. दिस इज पर्ल मेटालिक व्हाइट. ओके. आप पर्ल मेटालिक व्हाइट भी यूज कर सकते हो, पर्ल सिल्वर भी यूज कर सकते हो. आपके पास जो है आप वो यूज कर सकते हो. आपके हिसाब से आप कलर कॉम्बिनेशन कर सकते हो. जरूरी नहीं है कि जो कलर मैं यूज कर रही हूँ आपको वही कलर यूज करना है. आपके पास अभी इस वक्त जो भी कलर है आप वो यूज कर सकते हो. ठीक है. जरूरी नहीं है कि आप जो कलर मेरे पास मैं यूज कर रही हूँ आप वही कलर यूज करो. अभी ये क्या करना है, बीच से इसको कलर जो बीच में गैप्स है फेदर्स के, आपको उसको ऐसे ऐसे करना है ताकि आपका फेदर उभर के आए. देखिए, इन बिटवीन द गैप्स ऑफ द फेदर टेक द वाइट सिल्वर कलर and do it like this. So exactly you should be taking the white silver color and putting it in the gaps. थोड़ा थोड़ा आपको डालना है, ज्यादा नहीं, ताकि वो आपका जो डार्क वाला ब्लू है वो दिखे अच्छी तरह से. The dark blue should be visible. Put little. Don't put too much. Suppose it is too much, wipe it off. So take one thin brush so that you are able to lift that area. 1 minute. हाँ, छोटा ब्रश लीजिए आप, बहुत बड़ा ब्रश मत लीजिए. और एक्स्ट्रा कलर निकाल के जब यहाँ बीच में है, आप बीच में डाल रहे हो, उसको थोड़ा सा ब्रश को खड़ा करके अच्छी तरह से खड़ा करके ऐसे लीजिए. ओके. नाउ now what we will do, we will start merging the color. The color should be mixed and merged. It should not be like visible. Okay, the silver color should be not be visible like this. Merge it nicely. Let it go little bit also on the blue area. Okay. Now, so this area all we have done. Now, so this is how we are going to, all this area we are going, the inside area and this around we are going to put here this white color, white silver color, and complete this. So this is almost completed. The background we finished off with the peacock, and now we are going to finish off, we are going to put nice white here in this area and finish off with this background of the peacock. Okay. So the background of the peacock is done, and yeah. So then we'll finish up the flower. Okay, done. Now suppose still you want to highlight your feathers. Anytime last brush stroke you can take and you can highlight your feather. Take very little color as I taught you. Again last after finishing all the shading, suppose gently, suppose your white if your white color has gone on that, so gently take and put on the height, not anywhere, only on the projected area of the feather. Okay. वाइट बैकग्राउंड पे लगाते समय अगर सपोज आपका ये कवर हो गया है तो जेंटली जैसे हम लोगों ने ड्राई ब्रश स्ट्रोक किया था उसी तरह से हमें ये वापस इसके ऊपर खाली इस एरिया पे आप कर सकते हो उसको हाईलाइट करने के लिए, ठीक है। तो इस तरह से आपको पार्ट बाय पार्ट कलर करना है। आप यू हैव टू वर्क पार्ट बाय पार्ट, ओके। डन नाउ। So till here, can you see the peacock is completed now? Now the peacock area, what we will do? This area of the peacock, we will give nicely this color. The edges of the peacock, we will give this color only. तो ये edges के लिए देने के लिए आप अच्छे से कलर लीजिए ब्रश में, बोर्ड को आप उठाइए और इसके बाद edges पे खाली दीजिए. Not all the area, only in the edges. So you can highlight your peacock. Your peacock will be highlighted. The neck के edges में इस साइड से भी आप दे सकते हो और उस साइड से भी दे सकते हो. दोनों साइड से आप दे के उसको कर सकते हो, ठीक है। अभी आपका पीकॉक का इसमें आप एक वाइट डॉट, छोटा सा वाइट डॉट दे सकते हो या तो कोई आप स्टोन भी फिक्स कर सकते हो. हमारे पास स्टोन है तो अभी ये स्टोन जो है हमारे पास है, हम इसको उसकी फिक्स कर देंगे, आपको दिखा देंगे. विल शो यू हाउ टू फिक्स अप द स्टोन और पर्ल्स वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट. लेट मी सी वॉट एवर आई एम हैविंग. या आई एम हैविंग दिस पर्ल्स हेयर, सो आई कैन फिक्स अप दिस पर्ल्स हेयर. तो छोटे छोटे पर्ल्स हैं, आप इनको इनमें डाल सकते हो, लेकिन वो उतना दिखेगा नहीं दूर से, तो बेटर होगा कि आप थोड़ा सा डार्क कलर का लगाइए ताकि वो दिखे आपको. माइट बी ब्लू, वी कैन गो फॉर सम ब्लू बिकॉज दिस थीम इज ब्लू. सो लेट्स पुट सम ब्लू स्टोन्स हियर फॉर द नंबर्स ऑफ द थिंग. ओके, एक मिनट, हाथ भी चिपक रहा है काफी. हाँ, and then I have to show you these two flowers. That also I will show you. The peacock is completed. So छोटा सा स्टोन लगाएंगे या वाइट डॉट आप देख सकते हो पेंट से पीकॉक के आईज के बीच में, ठीक है. So बेसिकली ये स्टोन्स ऑलरेडी था तो बेटर है, अच्छा लग रहा है. आपका वॉल क्लॉक अच्छा लगेगा आपको. नंबर्स, अगर आपके पास नंबर्स नहीं है तो आप उसको ऐसे कर सकते हो. बहुत लोगों के पास अभी नंबर्स नहीं होगा, जिनके पास नंबर्स है वो नंबर लगा सकते हैं, कोई उसमें बात नहीं है, आप नंबर्स भी लगा सकते हो. लेकिन अगर आपके पास नहीं है, क्योंकि हम सभी अभी पैंडेमिक में है और काफ़ी सामान हमारे पास घर पे नहीं है, तो आप इस तरह से स्टोन लगा सकते हो. तो मैंने इसलिए यही सोचा था कि डू समथिंग सो दैट यू पीपल आर एबल टू ईजिली गेट एट होम. और जिनके पास मोल्डेड नहीं है, प्लीज़ ब्रेड क्ले ट्रे ट्राई करिए. ब्रेड क्ले बहुत अच्छा बनता है. घर पे ब्रेड 2-4 टुकड़ा ब्रेड का ले लीजिए, उसको अच्छे से मिक्सी में क्रम्बल कर लीजिए. ब्राउन वाला पार्ट नहीं यूज़ करिएगा, जस्ट वाइट वाला पार्ट क्रम्बल करके और उसमें फेविकॉल MR मिला के क्ले बना लीजिए. उस क्ले से आप काम करिए, बहुत अच्छा आपका काम होगा. और नहीं तो आप मार्बल से भी कर सकते हो, लेकिन अगर आप मोल्डेड से करोगे तो आपका फिनिशिंग ज़्यादा अच्छा आएगा और काम जल्दी होता है. अगर नहीं हो तो आप जाइएगा, अगर आपके पास मोल्डेड है तो प्लीज़ मोल्डेड यूज़ करिए. देखिए कितना आसान से काम हो जाता है, जल्दी से हो जाता है और आसान भी हो जाता है. ओके, सो वी हैव फिनिश्ड ऑल दिस. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू पुट वाइट डॉट फॉर द आईज and I am going to finish this 2 flowers. Which color we should go for this flowers? This flower and this flower, what colors you all want? Tell me, let me know. Let me know. I'll take some peach color or something. Let me see what color is that. Okay. So ये तो white ही रहेगा. white का ही कोई शेड ले लेते, इसको हम golden में कर लेंगे. So this one is golden. And we'll take some white shade. If you want any color, you take any color. It's up to you. Let me see what I can do. This one is basically पर्ल वाइट में आप हल्का सा ऑरेंज डाल सकते हो, कोई भी कलर आप मिक्स कर सकते हो पर्ल वाइट में। अगर आपके पास पर्ल वाइट है आप पर्ल वाइट डालिए, और फिर पर्ल वाइट के ऊपर हल्का सा, जैसे ये अगर फ्लावर को यूजली फ्लावर्स आपका ऑरेंज होगा या मूव होगा, तो आप उस तरह से हल्का सा कोई मूव कलर हम दे सकते हैं। we'll stick to the theme blue, so let us stick to the theme blue. So let me go for some mauve color. I have one pearl metallic brown here. अगर आपके पास pearl metallic ये नहीं है, आप हल्का सा ये ले लीजिए नॉर्मल कलर। ऑलरेडी आपने pearl metallic डाला है, तो just take the normal color and very little color you take, very little. So just take very little, put here and there, and then wash your brush. और इसके बाद आप उसको मर्ज करना शुरू करिए। So start merging it. So you can. So since it is blue, so we want to stick to the same theme. If you want some different color, you can go for some different color. Pink, red, blue, yellow, whatever you want. So आपका ये हो गया। अभी क्या करना है देखिए, आई एम टीचिंग यू वन टेक्निक हियर। अप्लाई द कलर नाउ, टेक स्लाइटली वाइप इट। तो क्या होगा, जो आपका उभरा हुआ एरिया है वो वाइप हो जाएगा, एंड यू विल गेट वन effect here, that ceramic like look you will get, ceramic effect. Can you see? तो थोड़ा सा अभी और आपको अगर इसको और वाइप अप करना है, थोड़ा सा आप पानी डालिए इसमें और इसको ऐसे वाइप अप करिए। तो कहीं कहीं पे आपका जो कलर लगा रहेगा वो भी एक अच्छा लुक देता है। सो इसमें आपको यू हैव टू अप्लाई द कलर and then slightly put some take some wet cloth and wipe it off, or okay, that's all. So this looks nice. I will stick to this. I like this color combination. So just put pearl metallic and then put little mauve color on this and take a wet cloth and wipe it off. Okay, so now we'll come to the rose area. So how much you want to wipe, you can wipe. So जितना आपको वाइप करना है आप उतना वाइप कर सकते हो। आपको जितना इफेक्ट जैसे दिखना है उतना आप, if you don't want to wipe you can leave it like that also, but I like this effect. I want to wipe it off. Can you see the effect? Okay, now what we can do, we can take very little color and only on these edges we can do, like we did for the peacock. So on these edges you can do like we did for the peacock, the edges only we highlighted. So same way we can highlight the edges, you can merge it so it will look like a shading. Okay, yeah, done. Look here, did you see how it is looking? Yeah, look the flower. All of you have a look at the flower. So this is how you are supposed to highlight it. Okay, done. Now next we are left with this flower. So let me take some pink color or red color if I have. Let me check. I have one yeah, pink metallic is there, so we'll go for pink metallic. Just put the pink metallic here and there, and then put some white in between and finish the roses. So उसको भी आप ऐसे कलर करके आप हल्का सा पोंछ के उसको हाईलाइट कर सकते हैं. देखिए कितना अच्छा लग रहा है. Just put the color and wipe it off. So automatically the depth, the color will go and the other area will be wiped off. That's all. It's done. I'm happy with it. Don't want any more. So, okay. Now we will color the green color for the leaves. We have 2 leaves here. So I'm going to color the green color. First I'm trying to lift while painting. Little bit of pink color has come. So wash your brush in water and lift your color. Okay. And now we'll put light green color. So take light green. We have this metallic green here. Mix with little yellow. So same way you color the green leaves. So the color, as I told you, it's all up to you, whichever color you want, wherever you do it. So there is no hard and fast rule for the colors. Please go whichever color you want. So again we will wipe it. That same like porcelain like finishing if you want. As soon as you apply the color, wipe the projected area. So automatically your thing will be done. Now we are just want to once again give a finishing to the background. So try to merge the color and we will give a finishing to the background. Okay. Now, so let's give a finishing to the background. So might be again we have to take little white and put here and there and merge it nicely so that the bright white color comes. Okay. So ऐसे ऐसे आप टैप करके आप हर एरिया में आप अपना टैप करके ऐसे कर सकते हो. Okay. Done. So this area, so here it is done. So we would like to 1 minute. Slightly we'll lift so that I can lift the thing. Now I would like to ask you what changes you all want. Any changes if you want here. So the techniques are clear. How we have done the wall clock. I will fix the dial and post